What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about aloe vera gel. As all of you may know, aloe vera gel is good for your hair, good for your skin, and good for your body in general. Okay, so I decided to do this video because I have a lot of friends requesting this video, so I know I took a long while in uploading a video. I'm sorry, but I was going through some things and I didn't want to pass this negative energy to you guys. So I hope you like this video, and if you want to see how I got this result, please keep on watching. Well, my girls, as you can see, I have the aloe vera in a glass of water because I don't want my hair to smell bad with the iodine that the leaf has. So I left it rest for about 2 hours. Now I am cutting it into pieces to make it easier for me to remove the gel. As you can see, after that, I am cutting it once. Make sure to keep this gel in the fridge so that you can use it again. As you can see, I cut the leaf in half, and with the help of a spoon, I extract the gel. There are different ways to do this, but I decided to do it like this, so yeah. To get all the juice or the gel out of the leaf, I am helping myself with a strainer because if I use the blender, the heat of this will make the aloe vera lose all its richness. Okay, now this step is completely optional. I am using 2 vegetable oils, extra virgin olive oil and pure coconut oil. 1 teaspoon of each one would be perfect. And to preserve it for longer, a capsule of vitamin E. And lastly, all we do is mix it very well so that everything be homogeneous. Okay, so now we're gonna split our hair into half, and then we're going to detangle it. My hair is already detangled, so I will just pass the comb right through it. And after that, I'm gonna do this like I usually style my hair. And now we're going to get our gel. Okay, so now we're gonna apply our gel. I'm going to show you guys, don't worry. So I'm gonna put a little bit more. This is a really fast demonstration of what the aloe vera gel can do for your hair. Okay, of course you're going to take your time and style your hair as you desire. However you style your hair, it's gonna give you definition. So I'm just giving you a fast demo. guys, as how I love the flaxseed gel, I am loving the aloe vera gel. So if you enjoy watching this video, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Comment down below what video should I do next. I know I have a few requests and I will surely be doing them. I will be uploading those videos. So yeah, if you enjoy, please share this video with your friends so they can try as well. And yeah guys, thank you for watching.